So here we're given this function f that's defined as x squared for x less than or equal to 0 and is equal to ax plus b for x greater than 0. So they're asking for this function f. It has an inverse function for which of the values of a and b. And that's a straight line. So if I were to draw this out roughly, so for x negative, it's x squared. So this is the 1/2 of the parabola. And then, and this is also including 0. And then for x positive, it's a straight line. So it could be something like that, or it could be any of the lines. It could be something like this. Now, for this f to have an inverse function, it has to satisfy the horizontal line test, which means that if you draw any horizontal line, it should only intersect the graph at one point. So what we have to do is to examine the answer choices for the different lines that are going to result. So I'm going to redraw this. So start with A. I'm going to qualitatively draw these out. A is -1, B is -2. So it has a negative slope, which means it goes this way. B is -2. So that's the y-intercept. So it's going to look something like this. And then this part remains the same. So this does satisfy the horizontal line test, which means that if you draw lots of horizontal lines, it will only intersect the function once. So A is the correct answer, but I'll do the rest of them just for completeness. A is -1, B is 2, so that would be the y-intercept here, negative slope. No, it doesn't satisfy the horizontal line test. So B is out. A is 0. B is -1. So this is a horizontal line, and B is -1. So again, this will not satisfy the horizontal line test, because if I draw a horizontal line here, there will be multiple values or multiple intersections. So C is out. A is 1, B is -2. So positive slope, y-intercept is -1, so it's going to look something like this. Now again, if you draw a line like this, intersects the function f at 2 points. We need to have it only intersect once. So D is also out. And finally, A is 1, B is 2. Positive slope, positive y-intercept. So something like this. Again, here there will be 2 intersections. So E is out, and the answer, as I said earlier, is A.